No menu.
I like the fact that, whatever I was craving, they just made it.
No prices.
More than anything, they just showed me that they're confident in what they do.
No problem.
We don't have a menu, but I am the menu. So I'm going to tell you what dishes we have.
Who needs a menu anyway when you've got Irma Galvan, the queen of Mexican cuisine, whipping up the tastiest scratch-made enchiladas, tamales, and guacamole you're gonna find.
If you want true, authentic Mexican food, this is the place to come to.
Coming to Irma's is just like going to Grandma's, packed with nostalgia that will really take you back in time.
I decorated because this is me. This is home. And so I decorated with Mexican and New Orleans I love, and the Warehouse District. And some of these things are very, very special to me.
Irma is a determined woman who runs the show at this iconic restaurant in the shadows of Minute Maid Park.
Wow.
And a lot of the Astros come here, right?
All the Astro Bagwell is one of our favorite friends that comes. He's been with us forever. Altuve, Biggio, Nolan Ryan, Red Ryan, King Caminiti, Billy Wagner. I can go on and on and on.
It's an amazing place. Pretty much a staple in Houston.
Fans don't just line up for the food. They come for Irma.
That's the reason that I get up every morning, just to be here for my customers.
Irma may be small in stature, but she's one tough lady who turned tragedy into triumph.
Tell me what was happening at the time you lost your husband. He was young too, wasn't he?
Yes, he was 41 years old, and he was murdered. I lost my husband, I lost my job, and I had 4 kids to support.
To make ends meet, she opened a small shop to sell sandwiches and homemade lemonade. Determined to make it work, Irma pushed on for her kids and herself.
Bad area. Everybody started moving out, and I bought a couple of pieces of property, and people thought I was crazy for even attempting to even stay here.
But stay she did. When she added tacos to the menu, people lined up to get a taste.
And when you serve food with freshness and love, people will come to you.
Irma hits the farmers markets every morning to pick up fresh ingredients. The day's menu revolves around what she finds, what she feels like cooking, and well, whatever her customers are in the mood for.
In my place, you do whatever you want to. The customer gets what they want.
So you can come into Irma's, and
Yes.
if they want it and you've got it, you'll make it.
Yes.
This stunning food tastes even better than it looks. Succulent pork roast tamales with ancho chilies, chicken and shrimp enchiladas drowning in cilantro sauce, decadently rich chicken mole that'll take your breath away.
I call it our holy moly, but what do you think?
It was fantastic.
Irma's kids are still right by her side.
I love doing what I'm doing. I love the people that we work with.
In the kitchen, all women, all grandmothers.
There's a lot of love in the kitchen. You can feel it.
Yes. I tell them, when you come to work, you have to come ready to cook with love.
You're gonna feel the love in every bite. Just one taste of Irma's award-winning guacamole and you'll be hooked.
Of course, Irma's the only one that makes a guacamole. So if she's out at the farmer's market, we gotta wait till she comes back and makes a guacamole.
Irma's legendary lemonade is also a must-have.
That's delicious. Oh, fantastic. That really is.
Irma's famous Chile Relleno is fantastic too.
We open them up, take out the seeds, all the seeds, and then we stuff them.
These things are loaded with Irma's flavor-packed picadillo.
Oh my gosh,
The
this looks
picadillo
amazing.
is really good.
Dip them in egg whites, fry them up, and dig in.
Made with love, right?
Con cariño, con cariño.
That is good, yes.
The Relleno is my favorite.
It is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous.
It's all fabulous at Irma's. You won't leave disappointed or hungry, but you will.
It's wonderful.